Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we have another set of presets from the RETOUCH4ME AI retouching tool. And yes, this complete tutorial is sponsored by RETOUCH4ME. As you know, in my professional production, time is money. And yes, I need to export fast and edit my pictures to export them to the client. So I use various plugins from a variety of sources to actually help me out to export all my professional photos to the clients. One of them is RETOUCH4ME with this new innovative AI feature. Today we are expanding knowledge on how I'm using these 5 additional plugins that I really like. And they are RETOUCH4ME Brilliance, RETOUCH4ME Teeth, RETOUCH4ME Skin Tone, RETOUCH4ME Eye Vessels, and RETOUCH4ME Skin Mask. And we shall gonna dive in these presets and understand more about them. These presets can be used as standalone applications or inside Photoshop's in the Filter tab. All the way down we'll find the RETOUCH4ME plugins. As there are also standalone applications, let's do all the retouches inside the application. Let's start with the first plugin that I really like, White Teeth. It will automatically find teeth in the photo and whiten them up. You don't need to do it manually. Select the teeth in the photos and the retouching happens automatically. In a matter of seconds the teeth will be whitened, and you are able to select the whiten and brightness option from 0 to 100. Pressing the preview button you can see the teeth affected area. On the lower part you will be able to select the portrait option or leave it to automatic. It does a great job. And it will work great also for group portraits just like this. Once you brighten up the teeth, well, let's go for the eyes. And we are talking about the eye brilliance that will automatically enhance and highlight the eyes in the photos using the dodge and burn technique. This plugin emphasizes the eyes and draws the view's attention on them, and you will be able to blend it from 0 to 100. This plugin allows you also to mask the eyes and save them as a separate layer and use them later to shape the eyes. Also works in group portraits, saving you a lot of time. When you're trying to even out the color of your skin, well, there is the Skin Tone plugin to help you out. It will automatically detect open skin areas in the photos and it will determine the various skin tone, evening it out. The skin tone not only repairs the skin tone of face, but also even out the tone of other parts of the body, including ears, hands and elbows. Cold skin tones become warmer with the magenta hues eliminated. From time to time, eye fatigue results in really red eye vessels, and they don't look good in portrait photos for professional client shoot. But with the eye vessel plugin, you will be able to eliminate the reddiness in a couple of seconds and get you that smooth eye look. You're able to blend it from 0 to 100 and get the original shape and natural color of the eyes well preserved. And one of my favorite skin retouching process is called the skin mask. And let's get straight into it. It automatically detects the skin in the photos and masks it. So you can select the face, body or all open skin areas at once. Select the sensitivity from 0 to 100. And then you can emphasize the character in the photos and make it more dramatic and pop out. This is a special promotion with the 20% off. If you're using my first link in the description, you'll be getting each plugin with 20% off the price. There are much more plugins that you can choose on the RETOUCH4ME page and edit faster your portraits. There you go, and simple but powerful AI portrait processor. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.